This is a review of third grade adding three-digit numbers, and we are going to be regrouping. One of the strategies we use in third grade is our standard algorithm, and we also use our base 10 blocks, which I have sketched out over here. We're going to be adding 359 plus 168. Over here I already have my 300s, 5 10s, and 9 1s. So now I need to go and start in the ones place. We always start in the ones place. And I need to add 8 1s. So I'm going to go over to my base 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And one thing that I notice when I do that is I have way too many ones in my one place. I'm only supposed to have 10. So what I can do is I'm going to take the ones that I have and I'm going to make a new group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I'm going to trade those over to my 10s place. I also have to add 6 new 10s as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now in the 10s place, I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So again, I can only have 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to trade them to make a new 100. In my problem, I also have to add 100 as well. And I don't need to do any more regrouping. Now if I look back to see what I have left, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the 10 in the ones, 2 in the 10s, and 5 in the hundreds. Now if I go over here to my addition, I have 9 plus 8, which is 17. I put my 7 down and I made a new 10. Right here is that new 10 that I traded over at my base 10 pieces. Now I'm going to add my 10s together. I have 60 plus 50 because those are in the 10s place, which is 110, plus another group of 10, which is 120. Here's my 100 that I made, and my 2, which is worth 20 in the 10s place. And then my last step is I'm going to add the hundreds. 300 plus 100 plus 100 is 500. 527. In third grade, we also do subtracting with three-digit numbers. Right here, I'm going to subtract 856 minus 279. I already have my 856 drawn out. Unlike addition, with subtraction, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross out. So again, I have to start in my ones place. I'm supposed to take away 9 1s. But I don't have that over here. I only have 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a 10, and I'm going to trade it for 10 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have enough that I can cross off the 9 I'm supposed to take away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 remaining. Now over in the 10s place, this 10 doesn't exist here anymore because I've traded it over. Now I need to take away 7, but I don't have 7 to take away. So I'm going to take 100. I'm going to trade it to the 10s place, and it's going to become 10 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I do have enough. I'm going to take away my 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. Now in my hundreds place, I have enough. I only have to take 2 away. This one does not exist anymore because I traded it, so I still have to take 2 away. 1, 2, and that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left in the hundreds place. Now over here, if I go to my standard algorithm, I started in the ones place, but I couldn't subtract 9 from 6. So what we had done is we had taken from the 10s. There were 50 in the 10s. I'm going to take 1, so there's only 40 left. And I'm going to give 10 over here to the 1, so I had 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. Now if I go to the 10s place, I have 40 minus 70, which I can't do. So just like we did with our base 10 blocks, we're going to take 100. So now I have 700, and I'm giving that 10. So now I have 14 minus 7 in the 10s place, which is 7. And then 7 minus 2, which is 5. 577 in both places.